Women, they have minds and they have souls. Souls. That's what I'm struggling with. Souls.
Souls. Okay, let's just sit there.
Souls.
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 Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Yeah, yeah.
Women, they have minds and they have souls. Souls.
Yeah, perfect.
As well as just hearts. And they've got ambition and they've got talent, as well as just beauty. I'm so sick of people saying that love is just all a woman is fit for.
Okay, I'm going to stop you there. Mistress, mistress. So it's really about getting that heavy R sound. Mistress, mistress, mistress.
Mistress, mistress.
Yeah, so if you
mistress,
miss and then getting that real heavy R sound. Mistress.
Mistress, mistress.
Yeah, so getting that, getting the TR sound. I mean, I don't want you to go mistress, but I want to get that sound. So it sounds mistress.
Mistress.
Yeah, yeah, like that, mistress. So that you've got the tourist, very, very short, but the sound is there. We just need to have that sound. So mistress. And then the other word. So say it for me again, so I can take it off.
Mistress.
One more time.
Mistress.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. And then unhappy. Unhappy. Unhappy.
Unhappy.
Unhappy. Unhappy. Unhappy.
Unhappy.
Yeah, unhappy. Yeah. You've got to get that longer ha.
Unhappy.
Yeah, unhappy.
Unhappy.
Yeah.
Unhappy.
Right. Okay. So now we've got, I'm happy with all of that. That sounds great.